Hi React tutorial video. In the previous video we have installed Next.js. We are going to use the Next.js installation for our React tutorials. Currently it is running like this. It is running in localhost and this is the first page. It is displaying it here. Okay. Currently it is displaying from the page.tsx. Today we are going to check about routing. And how to add new pages to the Next.js. Okay, currently it only contains one page. This is the default page. We are using the src app folder, so we are going to create another pages in this folder. It is creating in this way. I am creating a about page, so I am creating a new folder called about. It is under the src app folder. Then I need to create a new file in the about folder. We have to name it like page.tsx. We are using the TypeScript, so the page extension is tsx. Okay, I am just copying the content of this page. Okay, I'm just changing this page to about. This is about us page, maybe about us page. This is my about us page. About us page. So when we taking the about URL, we have to see this is my about us page. We can check if that is working. /about. Okay, it is working fine. This is my about us page. So you learned how to add a new page. Now we can add a link. Okay, there is a next link from next. Okay, we are using the next link. Okay, area is equal to codes about. We are just using the folder name about. Then about us. Okay, we may just check how it looks. Maybe we can add another div here for a separation. So now you can check it. Check the home page. Okay, here is the link. It is not colored. Anyway, it is link about us. When you click it, it is going to the about us. We may add a back button here. Back link in the back to home. Maybe we can copy this link from there. Back to home. Okay, link is not here, so I am again adding it. Link. Now you can go to the about us page, then back to home. Okay, now it is working. Now if we need to create a dynamic links, how it is working? We are going to create a person's page, then creating a dynamic person details page. Okay, Now I am creating another folder under the src app folder called persons. Persons. Okay. Then creating a file under it, page.tsx. okay, I'm just copying the content of this page, maybe this page. This is the back button. Control V. This is my persons page. Persons page. Okay, I am adding persons link. Persons. We have to carefully add this persons, this spelling, this need to be same. Persons, folder name and this need to be the same. Okay, persons. Now just checking is it is working fine. Here it is about us, then persons. The persons page is not working. Let me check. Under src, oh, you can see that it is not in the app folder. We have to move it to the app folder. It is under the src folder. It is not in the app folder. I am just copying it to the app folder, moving it to the app folder. Are you sure you want to move persons to app? Move. Okay, now it is in the app folder. Okay, you can see it about and app. Now just running it again. This is my persons page. Okay, it is coming here. Okay, persons, back to home, about us, back to home. Okay, I'm just adding a space here. Now I'm going to add some persons data here. So I am creating an array, constant persons equal to I need an ID 1 comma name Chris. Then creating two more variables, id 2 3 Matt Harris. Okay, now I am creating a, now I am just listing it here, like we have to map it there, like I am using a UL component, UL and LI. Just iterating through the persons list, persons dot map of person, then I'm adding the LI. then I'm just adding a key equal to person dot id. Okay, then I am adding a link here, link href equal to slash persons slash owner of person dot id. We have to single quotes here. I think backtick is better. Backtick. Okay. Just printing the person dot name. Person dot name. Okay. We have the link like person slash person dot id. Notice I am unable to read note url div ul. I'm not sure what is the bug it is. Let me check why it is displaying a bug here. Person word is not assigned to one real word is not. Let us check is now what is the issue. Let me run it. Back to home. Persons. This is persons page, but it is not displaying any bug or nothing, but it is just not displaying the here. Let me check what it is. Persons dot map. Okay, I got the error like we have to only one statement, so we only need this bracket, otherwise we have to use a return statement. Okay, now it is correct. Now let us check how it is. Okay, now it is displaying the variable, displaying the names Chris, Matt and Candice. They are linked. Like when you click on it, it is linked to persons slash one. Currently we haven't created this page, and so I'm going to create it. Okay, now we can create it. These are dynamic pages, so we have to create a dynamic session under the persons. We are going to create a new folder under persons. This naming like in a bracket, we have to use a bracket. We are just using person id. Okay, we naming it as person id, the folder. Then I am creating a file under this page.tsx. Okay, now I am copying the same content of persons to the persons details file. Okay, persons details, adding some more detail here. Name, age 11, just copying over here. Okay, now we have to accept the id from the URL. Okay, we are getting a params here my parents folder. Params, we are using TypeScript, so I am just using the params colon. We have to use this folder name, person ID. Okay, PRSON person ID string. Okay, now we are getting the person ID constant person ID equal to params dot person ID. Okay, now we are getting the person ID here. Okay, now then we have to find out the correct person from the using the person ID. We are just using the find operation. Constant person equal to persons dot find p dot id equal to person ID. Okay, we are iterating through this persons list and finding if the p dot id double equal to person dot id, when then we get the person, so it is getting one of them. Okay, then we are going to print that person's details, just printing it div id person dot id. Okay, sorry, maybe person is null. Copying it here, id name age name age. Okay, now we can check if this is working. Just refreshing the page. This is the person's page. I am clicking on Chris. It is going to the person /1. Then this is my person's page, id 1, name Chris, age 11. Back to home. About us persons. Okay, then if I click Matt, it is displaying details of Matt. Okay, now I think you understand how the paging is working, how we can be able to create dynamic pages. Currently for study purpose I have created dummy data. In actual situation we have to fetch it from the database. These details need to be fetched from the database. Corresponding person, we are getting the person ID, then we have to fetch the person details from the API endpoint or database using this person ID and need to print it. Now I am just showing one more thing, how to add some styles. Okay, now here it is no styles. There is a page.module.css. Okay, this is the page.module for the home page. There is many content in it, and now I am going to remove them. Okay, I just adding a one class name, just dot navigation, just adding a color, just showing how to color, which color we need, blue. Okay, I am adding, then I am just adding a color here, class name equal to, I think we don't want this, styles dot navigation. Okay, just adding a color to the links. Maybe we may add a padding, blue padding, 20 px. Okay, just adding a color and padding to the links. Now check what it is. We added it in the home page. Okay, you can see that there is a style added to this page. If you need to add style to the other pages, we have to create a page.module.css in the other folder too. Otherwise you can create a global css file and add the common styles in it. There is many methods for adding styles. I have shown one method. Okay, I think that's it for now. We will check more about Next.js and React in the next tutorial video. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like it. Thank you.